Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to introduce you to VokalNote in just 60 seconds. VokalNotes is the easiest way to capture your thoughts with real-time voice transcription and AI-powered smart summaries. Whether you're on the go or at your desk, it's perfect for recording voice notes anytime. Need to upload files? With seamless file upload, you can easily add pre-recorded audio from your device. The magic happens instantly. Watch your word transform into text in real time and low latency. And let our AI model summarize your transcript and highlight key points of your recordings. VokalNotes also support 38 languages, so you can communicate globally. Plus, you'll never run out of space with our unlimited storage option. Your privacy is our priority. All your voice recordings are securely stored and easily accessible. And if collaboration is your thing, you can even share your notes publicly. That's VokalNotes: capture, transcribe, summarize, and share in 60 seconds. Sign up for a free account and try it today.